Programming, they say it's the dream job. Flexible hours, high
I don't
salaries, and
discuss
solving cool
problems, I
problems.
incinerate them.
But what if I told you it's not all rainbows and silicon circuits? Behind the screens and the coffee mugs, there's dark side to programming that no one talks about. Let's peel back the curtain. First up, let's talk about burnout. Programming isn't just coding, it's debugging at 3 a.m., fixing production issues on your day off, and staring at your screen so long you forget what daylight looks like. Oh, and don't get me started on deadlines. You'll hear phrases like, "We need this yesterday," as if you're a magician with time machine. And when you finally finish that project, guess what? There's a new bug waiting for you like it's the next episode of your favorite drama series, except you're the lead actor and the villain. Let's talk about those perks tech companies brag about. Free snacks, awesome. But they're just fuel for the 10-hour work days that you're expected to put in. Ping pong tables, cool, but who has time to play when you're chasing deadlines? Unlimited vacation, great. Except you'll never feel like you can take it without falling behind. Newsflash, the perks are nice, but they're just distractions from the grind. Programming has this weird culture of job hopping every 1, 2 years. Why? Because companies don't want to give raises, and the fastest way to get pay bump is to jump ship. It's like dating, but with LinkedIn messages instead of Tinder swipes. And if you don't job hop, you risk being underpaid or left behind as tech moves faster than a JavaScript framework release cycle. Speaking of frameworks, let's address the elephant in the room. You never stop learning. Today it's React, tomorrow it's Svelte, and don't even get me started on machine learning. Programming isn't just job. It's lifelong homework assignment. You'll spend half your time coding and the other half catching up on what's new. It's exciting, but exhausting. Finally, there's this myth that programming is solo gig, just you, your computer, and some headphones. But here's the reality. You'll be in endless meetings, daily stand-up, sprint planning, code reviews. You might spend more time talking about work than actually doing it. Sometimes it feels like your professional meeting attendee who codes on the side. Drop comment below if you've ever had a day where you spent more time in meetings than actually writing code. So, is programming worth it despite the dark side? Absolutely. Every career has its challenges, but if you love solving problems, creating cool stuff, and maybe even breaking things occasionally, programming is still one of the most rewarding careers out there. Embrace the chaos, laugh at the bugs, and keep building. Just don't forget to step outside once in a while, to touch some grass.